Mexican officials arrived on a jet carrying 245 urns, each containing the cremated remains of migrant workers who died of COVID-19 in New York. The urns were turned over to grieving Mexican families who had waited months for news about the remains of their deceased loved ones. They had no idea if the dead would stay in the United States or be repatriated to their homeland. At a ceremony in Puebla, the Mexican consular official of New York, Jorge Islas, expressed gratitude to the deceased migrants for their service.
Thank you for your efforts and courage. Because of your commitment, New York City has been able to survive this pandemic. Each day, these migrants brought food to the tables of many people in New York.
Families of the deceased migrants were told how their relatives sacrificed their own lives in order to earn a living in the U.S. and send money to their struggling wives, children, and parents in Mexico. Heart-wrenching stories like this are taking place all across Mexico as millions of families worry about the health and safety of their brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers who migrated to the United States. In the town of Atlisco, Puebla State, CGTN was invited into the home of Vicenta Trinidad. Her son, Willie, migrated to the United States 25 years ago.
It made me very happy and at the same time sad, because I never expected to receive him this way. I always thought my children would bury me, and I never imagined myself burying one of them first.
Willie made an honest living in New York City's restaurant industry. During the height of the coronavirus, he was an essential worker. Both Willie and his brother contracted COVID-19 and were hospitalized. Willie did not survive.
I was in a very bad state, sad and depressed. But now that I have him here with us, I feel better. I thank God for that. My son is here now, and I do not have to worry where his remains would stay. Finally, he is here.
This grieving Mexican family wants to send a clear message to the rest of the world. Willie was not a number. He was a human being, and he will be missed forever. Frank Contreras reporting for CGTN, Puebla, Mexico.